I'm going to show you how to get the Windows Sandbox feature in Windows 11 Home. First, open up Notepad and paste this here. You will find this text in the description. Then save this as Sandbox. BAT anywhere you want. I'm going to scan it using VirusTotal so I can prove it isn't a malware. As you can see, 0 out of 59, which means it's pretty safe. Now we're going to go and run it as administrator. This is going to take a while, so I'm gonna speed this part up. Alright, it's finished. Now we're going to need to restart. After restarting, we are going to search for features in the search bar. Then if you scroll, you're going to see Windows Sandbox. We're going to turn that on and restart again. After restarting, it should work now. If you enjoyed, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.